Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get anime style filter on TikTok. So as you may know, in TikTok there is no option for you to select this filter. So what you need to do here is to go on Snapchat, and then you need to basically click on little emoji that is next to a recording button here, and then you need to basically click on the explore that is on a bottom right, and then what you need to do here is to go on search and write anime style. And as you can see here, this is the filter, anime style by Snapchat. Select this filter, and then what you need to do here is to record a video with this filter. For example, let me record for a few seconds. Right, I think we are good. And then what you need to do here on the bottom, you need to save to your camera roll. Press this button, and then what you need to do here is to go on TikTok. Press upload button here. And then as you can see here on a bottom right, you can basically upload from your camera roll. And as you can see here, this is the video. And press select this video, press next. You can crop it here, press next, press next again, and post it. All right. And as you can see here, that's how you can basically upload anime style video on TikTok. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.